This video is for the LG washing machine top load WT7800C. And if you're going to do a spin only cycle on this washing machine, there's nothing listed in your owner's manual. There's nothing listed on your quick start guide card that comes with it, or troubleshooting guide card that comes with it. And I just spent 45 minutes on the phone, well, with a chat, live chat, trying to figure this out with the agent, and it wasn't a pleasant experience. So, easily to do, you just simply press the power button. You then go here to spin only, as long as these are blank, and you hold spin only for 3 seconds, and you come up with a timer. You can then choose your spin cycle, and you simply press start. And that is how you do a spin only cycle on the LG top load washer.